Oh, and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do round 9 of the fingerless glove pattern, beginner pattern. And you're going to start with a half double crochet increase. Always make sure to put my stitch marker in there and another half double crochet in there. Now you will do 4 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see that that is starting to boom out there for your thumb. And now you will do another increase. Just 2 in that same stitch. And then you will work 23 half double crochets around to end that round 9 with a total of 31 half double crochets. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will have another video for round 10. Thanks. Bye.